So you love me, right?
I will think about it.
You think about it. Wait. If I propose you right now, what will be your answer? Yes or no?
I think it would be a
Yes.
yeah.
I got a girlfriend in Poland, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Say എനിക്ക്
എനിക്ക്
okay നിന്നെ
നിന്നെ
ഇഷ്ടമാണ്.
ഇഷ്ടമാണ്.
Yeah. Okay, I love you too. Lara, what's the time right now in there? 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
No, I think it's time for you want to give me your phone number to me.
വീണ്ടും ട്വിസ്റ്റ്.
Yeah. Is it your number?
Yeah.